Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC90 Recharge. T8 Ultimate AWD in sleek black. With only 2,000 miles on the clock, this 2-litre petrol-electric engine SUV is the epitome of luxury and performance. Packed with comfort and safety features such as Bluetooth, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and more, the XC90 ensures a secure and enjoyable driving experience. With its stunning design elements like privacy glass, sunroof, and roof rails, this vehicle is sure to turn heads on the road. And with its self-driving capabilities and full warranty, you can have peace of mind with every journey. This amazing vehicle has been fully inspected and serviced to manufacturer specification, guaranteeing its quality. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-of-the-line SUV. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the Volvo XC90 Recharge T8 Ultimate AWD today.